This is Project Wendy Lee, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Wendy Lee is painted in full gloss Mojave sand with silver accents all around. This 110 sits on 16-inch Wolf steel wheels in white with BFG all-terrain tyres. Wendy Lee also features a classic front bumper, ECD black steering guard and 2 LED spotlights at the rear. Inside, Wendy Lee features a Momo Prototipo black steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Puma Classic front and mid-row seats. The load area features no seating for storage space. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Garrett Torino caviar leather, stitched together in a matching colour. This 110 is powered by our GM LT1 450 horsepower engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. Project Wendy Lee also features an array of modern elements such as JL audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB charge ports throughout.